Seiko Kinetic Watch, how to remove the back plate in order to do some repair work, or if you want to change the capacitor. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to use this tool. And by the way, I'm using this toolbox by Eventronics. It comes with everything you're going to need right here. Okay, so we're going to use this tool right here and then this one right here. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get that going. So the first thing we want to do is remove the strap so we can access the back much easier. So I'm just going to use this to remove the pin here. Okay, once we do that, now we're loose and this is free and ready to be used in order to remove the back. Okay, so this is a screw back, so we're going to need the tool. We're going to put this on a place so we can hold it. So we have that in the toolbox, and we're going to turn it and get inside the watch. So let's do that now. Okay, this is the first tool we're going to use. This is where we're going to set our watch. And what we want to do is we're going to put it in here. We're going to turn this in order to fit our watch in there. Make sure that it's tight, but not too tight. Okay, once we have it in there, like this, now we're going to use our tool. Now we got to be really careful with this tool here because we don't want to scratch the back plate. So we're just going to line this up with the notches on the back plate. Okay, I already set them up so they're all, well, the bottom one might not be close, so you want to make sure that they're all close. So let's bring this in a little bit better. And you do that by this little scroll wheel on the top. Okay, and we're just going to turn it counterclockwise, as you can see. Now, once it's loose, we can actually just take our fingers and then just turn this with our fingers. And there's the back of the watch right there. Okay, so now if you need to change the capacitor, it's in there. I'm going to save that for another video, but essentially that's what this watch looks like inside. And that's how you remove the back. All right. Hope you found this useful. Links to all these tools are in the description. I'll see you on the next one.